Hey, welcome to Real Travel Speaks. This is a travel channel. So today what I want to show you guys is where to stay in Saigon. This is an Airbnb that I had stayed for the whole entire week, and it's fascinating. I think you guys should check it out. If you are in Vietnam and you need some ideas of what to see and what to do, I covered that in my last video. You can click it here to check it out just to give you some ideas what to do in the city. For today, in this particular video, we're just going to cover the Airbnb. I'm coming from the airport now back to my Airbnb, and a quick tip is make sure you take the Uber service. Do not take the taxis. So it took about 30 minutes to arrive here from the airport. This Airbnb is in District 4 and it's called Teed Up Homes. So the location here is great and it has a high security, so I feel real safe and happy about that. And it was only $35 a night. You can only get in and out with the card access, so high security. Alright, so here's the lobby where you will be meeting the host. He will give you the card, the Wi-Fi access, the gym, show you how to go to the fitness center, the swimming pool, nearby restaurants, and all that good stuff in between. One of the things that I prioritize over everything is the security. Then it's the Wi-Fi, and then the location, and in that order. But you can never be too safe. The only problem I had is choosing where and what to eat. It's time to check out the city views, the rooftop swimming pool, and the fitness center.
Catch a vibe, then I catch a flight. Life is a journey, it's time to live it how you like. Time to grow, time to elevate, this is what you need. Grab your ticket, yeah, this is real travel speaks. Embracing adventure, going places you never knew. This is true, if I could do it, you could do it too. Get your luggage and your passport, let's go, we about to take action. For all my aspiring travelers who got a hunger and a passion. Hey, real travel speaks, real travel, this is real travel speaks. Hey, come on and ride with me.
So this is the area that I have been staying at in Saigon. It's called Teed Up Homes, and it is on the District 4, just right over the bridge from the Saigon River, and it's very close to D1, which is the known tourist area. All right, so this is a different skyline on the other side of the property that I'm staying at. And right now it's very early, it's around 6 o'clock in the morning, just right before the sunrise, so it's kind of cool right now. Probably the best time to come out in Saigon. Now what I want to show you guys is the pool. The pool is on the 7th floor. I haven't been there yet, so I've been staying here for 3 days and I haven't been to the pool yet, just because I've been exploring outside a lot, but I want to see what the pool looks like. But this is my second time in Vietnam. First time I came was in 2023. I was here for 2 days and went to Hanoi, which is northern of Vietnam, and I was there for another 2 days before I went back to Thailand. All right, so we're coming across the pool here. This is what it looks like. Very early, so I don't know if anybody's here yet, but we got a few people. Another towering building here. It connects to the apartment that I'm staying at. I haven't been on that side, so I'm not sure what it is. But not bad. The pool looks pretty decent. So I can imagine it's probably a good view at night because, oh, here's the backside of the skyline of Vietnam, Saigon. See a lot of people right there commuting down here as well. So I'm gonna make my way to the gym. It's time to work out. I've been eating a lot, so I got a lot of calories and fat to burn. That good old Vietnamese food, but you know, their food is quite healthy because it's just a lot of vegetables, not really fatty food. So I think even if you eat a lot of the Vietnamese food, you're not really gaining a lot of fat. Got a playground here at the hotel if you have any children or bring your family. So this is a spot where you can bring them and they can enjoy themselves. Okay, this is the other side of the pool here. All right, so the fitness center is actually a cool one. Got AC inside, a lot of free weights, and it's overlooking the city. You can see the river right there. And the tower here, I seen a wedding there earlier when I was walking. It's pretty cool to witness that. And so you got the free weights here, you got the yoga center, you got the treadmill, you got the bikes. Just your everyday normal things you will have in a normal gym. And the gym is open nearly all day. All right, let's check out the convenience stores. So right outside your Airbnb is the convenience stores. So the 7-Eleven is attached to the teed up homes. So you got right here, which is called the Win. This is the Vietnamese equivalent of a 7-Eleven. So you got all Vietnamese food here. And you keep walking further down, you have this 7-Eleven, which is like the Western, Japanese, and Korean type food. Coffee shop there. And you got a pharmacy here. Pharmacy. Somehow I lost the footage of the inside of Airbnb. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the inside. But you can click the link below to check out the Airbnb inside with the pictures, and you can get an idea what it looks like. Hey brother.
Hello.
How you doing? Good?
Morning.
Good morning. So I am on a hunt on trying to find something to eat, some breakfast before I go out and venture into the city. There's plenty of options to choose from. All stores are attached to the Airbnb. There's a total of 5 or 4 convenience stores. You can't go wrong with either one. Overall, Vietnam is a great place to come. You get a lot of tradition, tons of street food. It's fun, it's beautiful here. Everything is cheap. One of the best countries to spend your money. So if you're very frugal and like the budget, come here. Guys, this is it for the video. I have more coming soon, more places, new countries. Stay tuned. Peace.